To remove and install the upper control arm on your Patriot 9R Pro RMK or Khaos Slash, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is on a flat level surface. Then, safely elevate the snowmobile. Reference your owner's manual for proper lifting techniques. Next, counterhold the upper control arm spherical bearing and remove the nut, washers, and spherical bearing. Discard the nut. Then, carefully separate the spherical bearing from the spindle. Next, remove and discard the flange nuts securing the pivot shafts to the sled. And remove the upper control arm assembly. If reusing the control arm, clean with a clean shop rag. Then, inspect the pivot tubes for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Continue by inspecting the spherical bearing for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, align the control arm assembly with the mounts on the sled and reinstall the assembly. Then, loosely secure with 4 new control arm nuts. Continue by loosely installing the upper control arm spherical bearing, retained washers with the domed side facing down, and a new flange nut. Then, torque the upper control arm nuts to specification. Then, torque the upper control arm spindle nut to specification. And safely lower the sled to the ground. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.